Mitsubishi Delica L400. Let me show you how to disassemble Mitsubishi Delica old school yellow fog light. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Let's get started. Here's another spare fog light from Mitsubishi Delica, which I need to take it apart. For the repair we need a flat small screwdriver, and also we need Phillips. This is a fog light from the driver's right side, and as you can see here, her top is over here, and we're moving to the outer side of the fog light assembly. And over here, as you can see, let me focus, and over here we have the slot where we're going to pry, and stick your flat screwdriver there and carefully pry the cover up like that. You could hear the click. Now the cover will come out without breaking, and as you can see, this is where it grabs on this edge. When it's cold, plastic will get hard and brittle. I would say probably better to take a vehicle inside or warm up a plastic, because they know to crack and break. Yeah, right now it's cooking hot. Here's a 1, 2, 3 Phillips screws to remove. Let's remove those guys. If you have any questions, comments, critics, suggestions, please leave everything down under the video in the comment section below. Last screw is out. Here's the front fog light holding bracket. There's our fog lamp and H3. Let's pull the fog lamp out. Let's pop this rubber cover. Just pry it with a flat screwdriver, get it under like so. Let's slide this cover down a little bit like that. Will give us extra room. Let's remove lamp retaining clip. Just pry it up like that. Undo the ground wire and pull the clip out, and lamp will come out like that. Power feed wire is crimped to the lamp itself. It won't come out. You just disconnect the ground wire from the housing, and then you solder this wire to your vehicle harness, to this red wire with the white tracer. There's a part number H3 series, and there's tons of numbers. 6451 OS RAM Germany, and here's some specifications: 12 volts, 55 watts. I will put all that information down in the description under the video. Yeah, then you have to just buy a lamp, replace it, put it everything's back together, and you're good to go. As you can see, one side has a rounded slot, another has a square, and same thing on the mounting housing. It only will go one way, and you won't be able to put it wrong. Here you go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Very appreciating that, and if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting, useful Mitsubishi Delica videos. Take care. See you soon. Bye bye. By the way, if you have to remove entire fog lamp assembly, it's pretty easy. Just pry this plastic cover, get access to those 10mm bolts at the top. Same thing on the bottom. It comes apart pretty easy, and yeah, and take an entire assembly out if you have to, and